We are a technology leader and we need to be able to shape the technology that we need, but also to get access to the latest technology. With a company like Ericsson, we can reform how it is done. Together we can shape the future of 5G for our customer.
We have industry customers, it's oil and gas, process industries, we have production, manufacturing, automotive, robots. It's a quite wide business for us. There is, in our domain, a need for a robust, reliable, but also low-latency wireless solution. And 5G has a good potential to be one of the main technologies there. You cannot be expert in everything, so you need to connect with good partners. And this is what ABB is doing with Ericsson. ABB needs to and has been part of the process to shape 5G, and we would like to continue to do that. The key things to be worked on next on 5G are the synchronization of time. We need that in our applications, both on the smart grid side, but also on production and manufacturing areas. The second topic there is to be able to integrate it with our systems. 5G will not be the only solution in our factories. It will be a mixture of networks and systems, and 5G needs to be integrated to our systems, both on the management side and on the data plane side. And here we're using a standard solution like TSN and OPC UA protocols. They need to play together well. It will enable our customers to come out with more fine-tuned automation systems which are more efficient, and that will give them better products and to a lower cost. Every day is a new challenge, and it's really a positive challenge.
We need to take technology much faster into the application and faster to market to be able to survive in the future. Collaboration is the key of it.